Hey Jay,
Hi.
so you want to tell us about the game that we've been working on?
So, if I press play,
Mm-hmm.
there's these notes, and each one, as you can see, gives one note.
Yes, one score.
Yeah, and after 60 seconds, it'll show you how many notes you've collected.
Exactly. Oh yeah, you set it to 60 seconds, right?
Yeah. Should I set it to 10?
No, for this it's fine, yeah.
Okay.
I wonder how many notes you could actually collect.
I think it's like 20.
Okay, after I want to see if I can get like 21.
I think the most I've gotten like 25 or something.
But basically, so we programmed everything here on the left side, correct? We created a bunch of variables, new functions, all of this to make sure that this works on Python.
Yeah, so that's basically the game. That's how it works.
Oh, and there it is.
Yeah, and it shows game over, notes collected, 23.
Okay, I have to be 24 after
Score.
then. Okay, yeah. Any final thoughts then, Jay?
No.
No? Okay. Thanks, Jay.